Hello everyone, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough through the series game called Fraction Fiddle, Matching Cakes Fractions. This game's taken from the Scoodle Education website and it is made by the Education Services Australia. In this game we are going to make a prediction with the fractions that we are given from the cake size that we are given. Fran says not everyone wants a whole cake, so I have to make the cakes and the orders match. We're going to go ahead and say yes, we've played this game before. Now, this is the prediction of the fractions and this is the cake size. Now we have to choose the right fraction for this cake. We're going to pretend that we don't know the size, so we're going to go say 1/6. Now we're going to try that 1/6, so we've already got 1 here, so we're going to try 6. Now that looks like the cake might be a little bit too small for here, but bigger there. So we're going to try 5. That looks a bit more like it, so we're going to check that one out.
Yes.
Fran says that one's correct, but she
quite.
says that the prediction's not right. Now we can either go and press replay or we can press next to continue with this game. Now the good thing about this is that once we finish the delivery book, we can get a printout of how we've done in this game and see the progression of our fractions. It's good to learn to make connections to the numbers and the size of the cake and help children feel more comfortable and understand their fractions, such as the learning about the numerator and the denominator. It'll help children learn in such things as baking with measurements, such as using half a cup or a quarter of a cup and so forth, and children will feel more comfortable working out how to share pieces out, such as cutting pieces up or having pieces left over and working out the fractions. And I feel like this is a really helpful game in learning about those fractions and making those connections. And definitely something that is an effective way to learn for children in Year 3 or Year 4. I hope this has been a helpful walkthrough, and I want to thank you for listening.